Annyeonghaseyo, Arkis! Rachel입니다 and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to share with you my everyday makeup. So I will start with moisturizer. So this is very simple and easy. I don't want to put too much makeup. As much as possible, I want to look on my natural beauty, if you may say so. And yes, I use my bare hands to apply the moisturizer evenly on my face. Next, I will apply concealer to cover my eye bags and apply it around my eyes. So I don't know if I'm doing it right. So you are free to comment and give me some tips because I don't do too much makeups. If I see myself pretty already, then that's enough for me. So next, I will apply pressed powder. Next, I will apply lip gloss on my lower lip because my lower lip is the one usually dry. Mwah! Next will be lipstick. I usually use a nude color lipstick. Next will be mascara. I curl my eyelashes and put mascara up and down. Next, I will apply my blush on. As usual, the color is peach or pink. This is to keep my natural look. I apply my blush on my cheeks, nose bridge, on my chin, and forehead, just to define my face. I hope that you like my everyday makeup. So since that I'm just going to go to a cooking session today, so I guess this is enough, right? Otte. Until next time, bye!